Hi, Steve Jones here with the Hardscape channel. Today we have with us Pat Taylor from Aqua Paving Construction.
Hi, Steve. How are you? Thanks for having me.
Well, we had Chuck here earlier, or last night for an interviews, and that was always interesting.
Yes, it is, I'm sure.
Seems like most of the interviews I'm doing are with my friends.
Well, that's all right. You have a lot of friends.
Yeah. So, Pat, you've taken a very interesting position with our industry, with Interlocking Concrete Pavement Institute at their annual meeting, where we also held the Hardscape North America Steering Committee meeting, and you have now taken on a new position. What is that?
Well, I'm chairing a task force of some contractors in our association to try to improve the attendance. I think we're great in Louisville. I'd like us to stay in Louisville forever. I think we're great with the GEIE Expo, but we need to get more contractors there to not only look at our products, but most importantly to be educated about how to install the system, what it means to be a hardscape contractor. So, as chair of this task group for education and programming for the show, exactly,
and
yes.
Fred Adams is our new chairman of the show, and he's been rather, I'd say, active in making sure that we produce new programs of great interest to contractors.
It's like anything else. Change is always good, Steve. We've had some wonderful speakers. I have nothing but positive things to say. But some of the things that we've done in the past need to be, as they would say, changed up a bit. Paver 101, Wall 101, how to build a barbecue pit, pizza oven, all of this stuff. It's all great. It's wonderful. But it's pretty much been done. We need to get a little more meat into it. We need to determine the things that make a successful business, the things that keep us going, that kept us through these last couple of years of hardship. It looks like we're seeing cranes, we're turning the corners. So what's going to get us to make money? Proper tools. We need to keep better books. The things that everybody just goes, oh, it's no big deal. It is a big deal. Those are the nickel and dime things that will take your company down faster than anything. Anybody can put in a paver. Can they put it in right? Can they stand by it? Because one bad job can destroy you. We all know that.
So we had proposed from my company PaveTech that we would offer up a seminar on DOT stuff. Is that something that's going to be part of the program?
We were talking about DOT. There's a new federal regulation that's kind of the silent killer. They're not telling anyone. It passed the 1st of January, and we just got the first notification February 23rd. Anyone driving a company vehicle that is talking on a cell phone without some sort of an ear wick or whatever you want to properly call it is up to a $19,000 fine for the company and about a $2,700 fine for the individual. No questions asked. They just pull you over and you're done. So things like this, we can't just hear about them because our buddy got hit for $20,000. We need to inform the people of that right now.
Well, there's a lot of opportunity for H&A and its education programs, bringing stuff forward from ICPI and others as a central place, clearinghouse, or making these programs available to contractors in one place at one time, so that they're efficient when they travel.
I think so. I think education is always the most important thing that we should think about, but sometimes it's a thing that's overlooked because it's just, oh, we're just paver installers. Well, that's not true. Another aspect, and I know maybe you're going to jump into this next, but I'll go ahead of you. Another aspect was brought to our attention in Germany, and you've been to Galabout. In Germany, they have a contest between students where, and I'm not sure, I have to do a lot more research on it, but it's either a time test or whatever, it's a skill test, but we're going to try to start a competition. Now, this year we don't have a lot of time. We're going to fly down to Louisville and see what our space allows and all of this, but we're going to try to get so many teams, and I know you've said that you want to sign up to have a team. We'll have a small competition. We need to have, maybe I'm going to be there with the microphone just kind of pushing people on and getting people all fired up.
I I think Ted Corby used the term "talking smack."
Talking smack is what Ted says. Lisa Lakovic, I couldn't think of Lisa's name, I apologize, is doing the distributor day, which is in conjunction with this, and she's using a NASCAR theme. So I was thinking of maybe, getting some flags and doing some stuff, and I might as well ask you right now, and if John's going to edit this, he might help me out.
There's no editing. This is going live as is.
This is live as is. Okay, no problem. I'm thinking about doing a really, really elaborate trophies. I'm going to spray paint a paper gold, silver, and bronze, and then I was hoping that maybe John would write in it first annual.
Well, maybe we could upgrade that just a little.
We'll see.
I think most of us are pretty tired of hauling pavers around.
Well, whatever, but things like that, something that would show the skill, would show the knowledge, but also would be fun. Maybe we can hook it up with the pizza ovens that are always there,
and the beer,
and have some beer that's there, and let's show our stuff.
Cool.
I think it'd be great.
I'm really looking forward to the October show. Hardscape North America. Do a search on Google or Yahoo, any of the search engines, and you'll find it. We'll see you in October.
Come see us in Louisville.
Thank you, Pat.
You're welcome, sweetie.
This is the Hardscape channel signing off.